So if your BMW E89 will not start or run, you cannot shift it into neutral to put it on a tow truck or anything like that. Well, I'm going to show you how to manually override that so you can get it on the tow truck and get the car out of there. I'm Brian from Automotive, and stay tuned for the trunk of the car. You're going to need to get the toolkit. It was underneath the floorboard here. It was just laying right here. This is where mine was kept. I'm not sure if this is where they're all kept, but this is where I found it on this vehicle here. So you need to get this toolkit out, and you need to grab this little Allen wrench right here. So this is going to be the key to putting it in neutral. If you don't have this, you can use a regular Allen wrench, or you can use a Allen socket with a ratchet. This, I believe, is about a 4mm Allen. So on a BMW, if you cannot start the engine, you cannot shift it into neutral. So if you have a bad starter, or if you have a mechanical problem where you can't start it or don't want to start the vehicle and you need to shift it into neutral, what you need to do is take the key, put it in the key fob, push it in. Now what we're going to do is open the I guess the cigarette lighter area here, and then pop this cover straight up like this. Okay, now that we got the cover popped off, you're going to notice you got this little red piece of plastic here and this white piece of plastic here. You need to take the Allen screw here, you need to put it in this white piece of plastic. Now we're going to push downwards and rotate it clockwise about a quarter turn, and this is going to take this little safety catch off. Now we're going to take this Allen wrench and we're going to set it in the hole here. So you're going to put it in there like this. Now you're going to put your foot on the brake, make sure you got the key and the key fob pushed in, and you're going to rotate it counterclockwise, and it's got quite a bit of pressure on it, so you're going to have to rotate it counterclockwise. Once you get it locked into position, now on the shifter, you'll notice that it's flashing in neutral here. Now the vehicle's in neutral, so if you're in an area where you need to make sure that it's not going to roll away, either put the park brake on or put some wheel chocks on it. Now it's ready to be put on a tow truck or pushed around if you need to. So now to get it back out of this neutral mode, you can take the Allen key out. If you take the key here and push the button, you'll watch. I'll push the key and pull the key out. You'll watch it'll pop back into neutral here, or back into park. So you'll see the indicator here pop back into park. So, or there's option 2, so you can put it back into neutral like that. Option 2 to get it back into park is to take the Allen key out, and then through the red button here, if you push the button, as I push down on this, you'll see it pop back into park. And you'll hear a click like that. Now that you've got it back into park, you're ready to put it back together. I put the little plastic cover on the Allen screw here with it kind of offset. You see that little nipple sticking out right there. I put that offset on here. So now you're going to put it in here until it fits flush, and then rotate it counterclockwise and push down at the same time. It locks in. Now you can pull the Allen wrench out, snap the cover back on, and that's how you complete the job. I'm Brian from Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe.